Hi, let's discuss about the Agile Scrum Master. The course gives you an in-depth knowledge about Scrum and Agile relationship, which can be best described as agility. As such, it refers to the state that people, teams, organizations look for or by embracing agile development processes. On the other end, Scrum is a framework that helps teams work together. Much like a sports team training for the big game, Scrum encourages teams to learn through experiences and self-organizing while working on a problem, and reflect on their wins and losses to continuously improve. So the relation between the two can be seen as Agile are the principles to Scrum. Scrum is a foundation for agility. Why Agile Scrum Master? It is very crucial for job seekers to understand which credentials are the most sought that will impress hiring managers and will make you stand out among a bunch of other thousands job seekers. Past decade, the most common certification which gained momentum across various industries is the Agile Scrum Master. Given below benefits attracts people to go for this course. Most are sought after certification by the IT industry and recruiters. Certified Agile Scrum Master is known for delivering value and top-notch quality of the product to the customers. Assist in acquiring new projects. Staying relevant in job market. Who should attend? People from given domain, professions, and industry can attend this course. The people from domain can attend this course. And people from profession can attend this course. And also people from industry can attend this course. What are the career benefits of course? The career benefits are clear. Career benefits of course: be admissible and catch your market. Certified Scrum Masters are assets to the workforce. Qualified employees drive successful projects. A badge of honor. Be apart from the crowd. What is the process to appear in the examination of accredited body? There is no such accreditation body for Agile Scrum Master course. Once you complete the course, you will be awarded Certificate of Completion. And to get the Certificate of Excellence, you will have to go through an online test conducted by MindCypress.